She don't wanna love and making no butter. She don't wanna honesty and no nana. She ain't even talking if there's no rapper. Oh no, my baby on a whole nother different level. She be slower but now she take me to heaven when she goes lower. Right after we fuck, she give me culture down.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in getting this look for an affordable price, make sure you stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get straight into this hair review by Luvmehair. This video is sponsored by Luvmehair. Shout out to Luvmehair. I love you guys so much, and let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Hello guys, so we gonna go ahead and get straight into this review. So first things first, this is a 5x5 closure wig, and it is side part, which I actually usually don't wear a side part wig, but today we gonna wear a side part because yeah, that's what we doing today. But we are going to go ahead and get started. So Luvmehair did send me this really cool sticky like band to hold my wig, so I'm definitely using it today. And then they also sent me a little bitty hair straightener, which I absolutely love. This is perfect for edges. And then of course I'm going to be using my handy dandy Luvmehair hot comb, and they also sent me a brush. So let's go ahead and get the wig on. I did go ahead and cut the lace on this wig because I had time to play. Okay, I came, I conquered, and I just didn't have any games to play today. But we're getting the wig adjusted and just kind of filling it out to see exactly where I want it placed on my head for this install. This install is literally so easy because there's no lace for real that I gotta even adjust. Like, it's just a bang. So this is definitely like one of my go-to wigs I've been using lately. I ain't even gonna lie, especially having a house full of kids, not really being able to do my hair like I want to. This is definitely a video for moms. By the way, if you notice that I am smacking gum like uncontrollably, please ignore it. I apologize in advance. It's super annoying. Even looking back at this video, I'm like pretty annoyed. But I mean, hey, you know, I had to occupy myself while doing my hair, so I'm sure you girls can relate. I'm sure you can relate. So obviously we are starting off with the bang because that, I feel like, in my opinion, is the hardest part about styling this wig. I just didn't know exactly what I wanted to do when it came to styling the bang, because mind you guys, I barely wear bangs. I usually wear either a middle part or a middle part. I don't really wear anything else. So as you can see, like, I use the hot comb and I kind of added a little bit of volume to the hair with the hot comb, and then I did go in with my little bitty straightener from Luvmehair. Okay, shout out to you guys. I love you guys so much. And then I went back in with the hot comb. I just really wanted to make sure that this hair was super detangled and super easy to just run my fingers through, which it was, by the way. So I mean, I just kind of did a little bit more work for myself, I guess. By the way, this wig does not shed at all. I think it's due to the fact that it does have a side wig and there's not really any type of lace that you have to style. So that is a plus. And this hair is super silky, mama. This hair is super silky, which is a great thing. You always want to make sure that you have really good quality hair. And my first indicator to let me know that the hair is great quality is if it is super silky. Okay. So I did use the smaller straightener, but eventually I did go in and just follow through with my bigger straightener because I just, you know, when you're using things, well, new things, you kind of revert back to the old things that you use because you know what's familiar to you. So I went back to what was familiar to me, which was my regular straightener, and we got that bang together, girl. We definitely got that bang together. So after I got the bang together, I did go in and start curling bigger pieces in the hair just so I can add a really nice body wave. I didn't want the hair to be like super curly. I really just wanted a nice body wave, something that just looks really breezy, beautiful, cover girl-ish, you know. The curls that the hair did come with were gorgeous, by the way. I just wanted to go in and just mess with it. Knowing me, I have to go in and, you know, do a little bit of switching around. So that is what you guys see me doing right now.
Dear God, make it alright. Only you can make it alright. Dear Lord, make it alright. Nothing else ever feels right. Dear God, make it alright. Nothing else ever feels right. Nah, nah, nah. Nothing else ever feels right. I'm exhausted. Never the right time to go. Never the right time to go. No, 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 no. God loves you. Lovely choose your step. Gotta make it right for your love. Gotta make it right for you. Everybody wanna feel like everything gon' be right. New me over the old me. Let it out, let it all out. God, please set it all right.
So from here on out, we are just using that big straightener to get the curls that we want. I definitely feel like I was able to achieve the curls that I wanted. I did have to go back in, which you guys will see. I'm going to explain it to you towards the end of the video. But we are definitely just using that straightener and just achieving the curl pattern that we want. Like I said, this hair is super silky. So definitely make sure that you're using the right products to hold the curl. I definitely use the Freeze Blast spray, and then I also use a heat protectant to make sure that the curls did stick throughout the process of creating them. I absolutely love, look at the hair, baby. I love the side part. It's giving, baby. It's giving, okay? It's definitely giving, I'm that girl in a Barbie world, okay? Period, food. Definitely giving Barbie vibes, okay? Argue with your mama about it. Don't argue with me, okay? We are back. So this is how the hair looks, you guys. I absolutely freaking love this wig. Let me take my glasses off. So, you know, with the Barbie movie coming out, your girl had to step out looking like Barbie. I got on pink everything. It looks super, super cute. I love how this hair turned out with the outfit. I did not notice that much shedding with this hair. The curls did fall a little bit, but I think it's because of the products that I used. So I went back and I had to recurl the hair. I have put some hairspray in the hair, that way the curls can hold a little bit better. This hair is super silky, guys, and which is a good thing. It's a good thing, it's not a bad thing. It's a really good thing. So I added some hairspray, and then I also added some heat protectant into this hair. That way the curls could hold. I don't know if you guys can see, but the curls are sticky now. They're sticky, baby, okay, they're sticky. So yeah, this hair is super cute. This is definitely a beginner friendly wig. I definitely would suggest this to anybody that is not really good with like doing hair installations, or if you are a mom on the go. This hair is perfect for all my mamas out there who literally do not have to do anything to the lace. As you can see, there's a bang. Yeah, girl, we rocking the bang gang, okay? Bang gang. Super cute. I usually do not wear a side part, but this is giving, it's giving the vibes, okay? I'm vibing with it, okay? It's giving cute mama, okay? That's what it is. It gives effort, but no effort. You feel me? And that's what we going for, okay, girl? We need something that's going to be quick and easy to do. It's not going to take too much of our time, especially having a newborn or just children in general, okay? But I absolutely love this wig from Luvmehair. This is definitely a wig I will be wearing in my collection for quite some time, because the fact that it's so simple and easy just to throw on, like, yes, please give it to me, please. Please, I'll wear this every day, okay? Especially the days I don't want to wear my natural hair. Like, this is something really easy just to throw on. Overall, there is minimal shedding. I did experience a little bit of shedding when I cut the lace up here, but I mean, that's just normal and it's expected, because when you cut lace, some of the hair is going to come off anyway. So yeah, and I love the color. It's black. Well, it's like dark brown that looks black, and it looks like my natural hair color, which I absolutely love. You can hear Nolan in the background. Yeah. Overall, I'm super satisfied with the way this hair turned out. Shout out to Luvmehair for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys so much. I have worked with Luvmehair for quite a few years now, and they have never disappointed me when it comes to quality hair, quality wigs, quality customer service. So I definitely would suggest Luvmehair to anybody who is looking to get a great wig for an affordable price. Make sure you use my code ZEL20 for 20% off on your purchase with Luvmehair, and let me know how it works out for you, boo. Let me know how it works out, okay? But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I can't wait to do some more hair review videos for you guys. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And hit the bell notification so you know when I post more videos. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for the support, and more videos to come. I'll see you guys and girls in the next video. Bye, guys.
She don't wanna love and make it no butter. She don't wanna honesty and no nana. She ain't even talking if there's no rapper. Oh no.